In this video, we discuss about the interface concept in Java. Interface is a mechanism to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. It provides only the method signature. It defines the abstract methods which specify method name, return type and parameters. It does not provide the implementation, that is the body of the method. An interface can contain only static and final members. An interface is not extended by a class. Defining an interface. The access modifier specifies whether the interface is public or not. If the access specifier is not specified for an interface, then that interface will be accessible to all the classes present in that package only. If the interface is declared as public, then it will be accessible to any of the classes. The methods declared in the interface have no body. These methods must be defined within the class definition. Here we will see the example for the interface. Here the name of the interface is interface 7. So here we have specified the method signature. The name of the method is display. Here we can see a class. The name of the class is A. Here the class A implements interface 7. So here we have given only the method signature. But inside the class we will give the method implementation, that is the body of the method. So we can see system.out.println example interface. Here we have given the method signature alone, but here we have given the implementation for the method. The class A implements the interface 7. This is the main method. In the main method, we are creating an object. The name of the object is S, which is of class A. So S.display will invoke this method and print the output as example interface. This is another method or example for implementing the interface. This example is similar to the previous example. The difference is that here the two classes class A and class B implement the same interface 7. So both the classes implement the same interface 7. So class A implements interface 7, class B implements interface 7. But we can see the implementation, different implementation in both the classes. So it is an example for two classes implementing the same interface. And this is the main method. In the main method, we are creating two objects. S is of class A and S1 is of class B. That is, S is an object or instance of class A. S1 is the object or instance of class B. S.display will invoke this method, that is the method which is given in the class A. S1.display will invoke the method we have specified in class B. Now we will see the implementation of this program. We have implemented this interface program using the Java NetBeans. So interface. So here we can see the interface 7, and we have specified the method signature. But note that there is no method implementation. And here we can see class A. In class A, we have implemented the method, display method. Class A, system.out.println, class A implementation, interface 7. And here this is class B. But here we can see system.out.println, class B implements interface 7. So two methods implement the same interface. And here we can see the main method. In main method, as I said earlier, we are creating two objects, S of class A, S1 of class B, and we invoke the method S.display and S1.display. And when we run this program, we are able to see the output. So we can see the output. Class A implements interface 7. Class B implements interface 7. Now I will explain. Some of you may not be aware of how to use the NetBeans. I will just give a small summary of how to use that. So if we want to create a program or project like this, now go to File, New Project. So in the new project, select Java application. Press next. The package, you have to give the package name. It is optional. We have to give the project name. For example, I will give the name as example. Example 1. Then finish. Now we can see the name of the project example 1 here. So under that, when we expand this, we can see source package. Under source package, select source package, right click on that, then we will be able to see new in that Java interface. We give a name for interface, new interface 1, and click on finish. Here we have to give the coding for the interface. After writing the coding and again select the, so now we can see new interface 1.java is appearing here. So again select source package, right click on that, new, click on Java class. Here I will just give the name as new class 1. Finish. Write the coding for the class. Okay, in the same manner we can create a number of classes, and then at the end we can see example1.java. Here we have to write the main method, that is creating the object, invoking the object. This is the way of developing the program using interface and running or executing the program. Now we can see the various ways of interface implementation. So for example, in this case, if we see class B and class C implement the same interface A. Here class C extends class B. The class B implements interface A. So in the same manner, here class D implements interface C. The interface C extends two interfaces, interface A and interface B. So this is the different ways of implementing the interface. Hope you understand the concept of interface. If you like this video, please subscribe and give your comments. Thank you.